New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We're in Venetian Bay, DR Horton product. Just want to show you this floor plan. We're going to go to the left here, back to the bedrooms. We have one of the smaller rooms. You can easily get a queen in there. Then another room, queen. And look at that, another room, a queen. You can do an office in one of those rooms. This is a 4-bedroom home. Guest bath. DR Horton's been getting into a habit of putting their tile as an offset, so it looks really nice. I like how they're doing their open kitchen plan right now. I'll show you here in a second. Huge pantry. And then check out this kitchen. Really nice kitchen. I like the dark cabinets. Check out the tile. Stainless appliances. That will have a stainless refrigerator in it when we're all said and done. We have a big, great room. And then we'll shoot over here. Garage is in the back, like an alley effect, similar to Celebration. We have a small screened in area. Through there is laundry and the garage. We're going to go into the master. Of course, master tray ceilings with all their product. King size bed could fit in here. The one thing I definitely like about DR Horton, this walk-in closet is another bedroom. It's so big. And then we're going to have carpet in all the bedroom areas and the tile. They're doing nice tile work in the shower areas now. And then we're doing double vanity, water closet, and we will end with the kitchen shot, and we're out of here. Great product, just another floor plan. Put it in the comments below.